In this video, we're exploring must-have gadgets for men that are innovative, practical, and designed to elevate your everyday life. From cutting-edge tech to multifunctional gear, these gadgets combine style, efficiency, and functionality. Whether you're into fitness, gaming, travel, or productivity, there's something here for you. Let's dive in and check them out. HaptX Gloves G1. The line between reality and imagination has officially blurred. Meet the HaptX Gloves G1, the ultimate tool to bring the power of touch to VR and robotics. These gloves provide precise tactile feedback and physical resistance, allowing you to feel textures and forces in a virtual environment. Surgeons can practice with realistic touch, and engineers can design robots with enhanced material handling capabilities. Packed with a smart textile system and sub-millimeter motion tracking, the HaptX Gloves G1 elevate the immersive experience to an entirely new level. NOMADE Hoodie. Revolutionizing the everyday hoodie, the NOMADE is a travel essential. With 16 pockets and 32 features, this hoodie keeps everything you need at your fingertips. Made from breathable organic cotton, it features a built-in power hub, waterproof pockets, an A4 document holder, and even a drink holder. The pockets are double-sided for quick access, making it the perfect all-in-one wearable travel companion. REM Propulsion Stick. Turn the city into your playground with the REM, a foldable propulsion stick made for longboarders and skaters. Equipped with a brushless motor, polyurethane wheel, and an integrated battery, it provides effortless acceleration, reaching speeds of 20 kilometers per hour without needing to push. Designed for urban commuting, the REM stick ensures a smooth and energy-efficient ride on any surface. TapXR, why type when you can tap? The TapXR is a futuristic keyboard, mouse, and controller all-in-one. Worn on your wrist, it enables one-handed typing at speeds of up to 70 words per minute. It also includes an air mouse and customizable finger tap commands for seamless navigation. Compatible with PCs, tablets, and even music production software, the TapXR takes computing to the next level. Nreal Air AR Glasses. Experience cinema-grade visuals on the go with the Nreal Air AR Glasses. Featuring a 120Hz micro OLED display, these glasses transform into a portable IMAX screen. Weighing just 79 grams, they offer full HD resolution, a 90Hz 3D mode, and screen mirroring for smartphones, PCs, and gaming consoles. With built-in speakers and mics, you can stream movies and games without extra cables or bulk. Mech Wallet. Elevate your EDC, everyday carry, with the Mech Wallet, a sleek mechanical wallet that offers one-handed access to your cards. With a smooth, fidget-friendly design, it integrates MagSafe technology to attach securely to your phone. Plus, it includes RFID protection, 3 key slots, and a cash holder for added convenience. GPCA Carabiner Pro X Key. This is more than just a carabiner, it's a multifunctional tool that packs a ruler, key organizer, pry tool, box cutter, brass knuckles, writing base, capsule, bottle opener, and screwdriver all in one compact gadget. The GPCA Carabiner Pro X Key is the perfect EDC tool for adventurers and handymen alike. Kit Gym. No space for bulky gym equipment? No problem! The Kit Gym is a compact, all-in-one home workout system that offers over 100 different exercises, including strength training, Pilates, core workouts, and stretching. Designed with a pressure-reducing cushion for joint support, it even includes a built-in massage function to help with post-workout recovery. Cyberblade earbuds. Upgrade your audio experience with the Cyberblade, the only earbuds with 3D surround sound and an independent DSP processor. Designed for gaming and streaming, they feature low-latency connectivity, RGB LED controls, and IPX4 water resistance. The 6.5-gram ergonomic fit ensures maximum comfort, while their powerful antenna keeps you connected even at a distance. CIRCUL Ring. Monitor your health with precision using the CIRCUL Ring, the only smart ring with medical-grade metrics. It tracks blood pressure, sleep quality, steps, body temperature, heart rate, blood oxygen levels, and even stress levels. With adaptive sizing, it fits perfectly no matter how your fingers change throughout the day. Plus, no subscription is required to access the full range of features. UpCore Posture Corrector. Say goodbye to bad posture with the UpCore, a revolutionary device that helps align your spine, relieve back pain, and strengthen your core. With EMS, electrical muscle stimulation technology, it trains your muscles in just 23 minutes a day. Whether you're sitting or standing, the UpCore takes 40 pounds of pressure off your shoulders, improving posture and core strength over time. MiCoin flashlight, all the brightness you need in the size of a coin. The MiCoin is a tiny but powerful flashlight, producing 300 lumens of light with a 5-hour battery life. It's IPX8 waterproof, titanium built, and crush-proof, making it perfect for camping, night walks, fishing, or emergencies. Clip it onto your keychain and never be left in the dark again. Which of these must-have gadgets do you find the most useful? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more gadget recommendations. See you in the next video.